Today we're going to be installing the small but mighty Bulletproof Designs linkage guard. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Designs channel. We're back in Southern California at Three Brothers Racing, the nation's largest KTM and Husqvarna dealership. Today we're going to be installing some Bulletproof Designs guards on this 2020 KTM 450 XCF. To install the Bulletproof Designs linkage guard, we're going to need two simple tools. First up is a 6mm Allen key, and second is a 13mm T-handle. So with two easy bolts, the linkage guards bolt right into the rear shock on the KTM 450 XCF. It's going to be a lot easier to protect your bike, protect the lower shock clevis, and keep your ride safe and protected. So as always, check us out on social media, follow our website, and be sure to check back soon for more updates from Bulletproof Designs.